Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign up and start using Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI tool that helps you create content easily. With Pippit AI, you can generate AI videos or maybe talking avatar videos, generate images, and maybe other creative content in just a few clicks. And it's very useful for content creators or social media or marketing. And to sign up, first just open this Pippit AI link. I have added the link in the descriptions and the pinned comment, so you can open it from there. And then next, just copy this link and then just open with your Google like this. Like this, and then next just tap on login. Like this, and then next just tap on continue with Google. You can quickly sign up using your Google account like this, or you can also log in with your email or TikTok account or maybe Facebook. But in here, I will choose Google account and then just use the Google account that you want to use. And like this, you will automatically enter the new account like this. Usually you will get free credits every day like this. 120 credits every day like this. And to get more credits, you can also earn credits by tap on this button, and then you can just do completing some tasks inside Pippit AI like this. Just do these tasks, like you can sign in Pippit every day like this, or install Pippit desktop app, visit Pippit's mobile web versions, and many more. You can just complete these tasks to get more free credits. And then in this Pippit AI, you can also try a 7-day free trial if you want to try the premium features. Right, tap on this button like this. Like this, you will see the comparisons about the free versions and free trial like this. Free trial with premium feature like this. And then if you want to try the free trial, just tap on this button, this one, just click on it. And then in here, you can choose your payment method. In here, you can use a card, debit card or credit card or PayPal. If you choose card, just simply enter your card number and follow the next step. And if you want to choose PayPal, you will be directed to your PayPal account to complete the process. And don't worry, because this is a free trial, you won't be charged during the first 7 days. And you can also cancel anytime before the trial ends to avoid any charge. And with this Pippit AI, you can create videos or maybe avatar videos, AI talking photos like this, or maybe product showcase, or produce different kinds of AI content quickly and easily. You can just explore it by yourself in here. And okay, that's it. Now you're ready to start using Pippit AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.